In this video, I'll show you how to search for files inside folders and their subfolders on Ubuntu. Let's start with the basic command. Open your terminal. We'll use the find command. This command helps us search through directories. Here's the format. Find starting underscore directory. Name, file name. For example, to search for a file called notes.txt starting from the current folder, type find. Name notes.txt. The dot means start searching from the current directory. If the file is deeper inside subfolders, this command will still find it. That's because find works recursively by default. If you want to search from the root of your system, replace the dot with a slash like this. Find name notes.txt. This will search your entire system, which can take longer and may show some permission-denied messages. To avoid those messages, you can run the command with sudo find name notes.txt. That's it. Now you know how to search for any file recursively in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.